You're welcome to today's lesson. So on today's lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to import objects to Photoshop environment. Okay, so the first thing you do is you come to File, you click on Place Embedded. Okay, you locate where your document is. My file is on desktop, so I'm going to be importing this. I'll click on Place. So here is my object. I hit enter on my keyboard, or I click on this check icon. This is it. Alright, so let me try importing another one. Click on Place Embedded, click here and click here. Okay, so as you can see, this cross line on the image, it is showing you, trying to explain to you that this, if you want to reduce or increase the size of the image, you make use of these four corners. You don't reduce from the side like this. Okay, so that is what it is trying to explain to you. So you hit on enter on your keyboard, or you click on here. I'm going to hit on enter on my keyboard. So for you to be able to move this object, you have to click on this move to. Okay, it's already highlighted. I've already clicked on it. Then you can move your object. You can see. Alright, and this, the one under, is the first one we imported. Okay, so anyone you import will be on top of the first one. So for you to bring this one on top of this one here, come to your layer panel. Alright, this was the first one we imported. You can see it's highlighted. As I clicked on it here, it will highlight here. Alright, so click on it and move it to the top. You can see. Alright, so this is how you can, take your object from back to front like that. So assuming I want to increase this object now, okay, I will have, like I told you before, you increase from these four corners so that the image will not be disshaped. Okay, so you click on here, this corner, click and drag it. You can see that is disshaping, right? Okay, let me click on escape. Let me click on enter first on my keyboard. You can see that the image is disshaped. I'm going to click on Ctrl Z on my keyboard. I want to explain something to you. So if you want to reduce or increase this picture, once you click on this small box here, press your Shift 2 on your keyboard, then you do what, you increase it, so that you can see it is retaining the size, the diameter and all of that. Then hit enter on your keyboard, or you click on this check 2. So also, if I want to increase it again, I'll click here. First of all, press Shift on my keyboard, I'll click here and drag it, right, and then I'll reduce it just like that. Hope it is simple. Yes, it is simple. Okay, like I said, you don't have to reduce your object from the size. Let me try it for you. When you reduce like this, you can see that the object is disshaped. That is why you don't have to increase or reduce from the size except the four corners. Alright, so